Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. My name is Reese, and today I'm going to show you how June.py works. So let's go ahead and just scroll to the bottom because we don't have enough time to go through how each function works. So I'll just walk you through the main function. So after June clears the terminal, what happens is the return value of the greet function will get printed to the screen. And then the return value of the set course function will also get printed to the screen. And so during these two functions, what happens is June will introduce itself, ask you for your name, give you a greeting, and then set course will determine whether or not you're going to continue with the program or say no and close the program. So after those two functions get called, getBiometrics is called, and the return value of getBiometrics is stored in the user data frame. So getBiometrics just asks you some health information, so that way you can create a data frame with your health information and use that for machine learning purposes. So after the user data frame is created and stored in user_df, then the terminal clears one more time, and then prep dataset gets called. So prep dataset takes the user data frame and uses it to filter the patient_data.csv file. So that way, when you go ahead and create a data frame from this file, you can make sure that the user data frame and the patient data frame match exactly. And you need to do that for machine learning purposes. So after that happens and you have your filtered patient data frame, then you can go ahead and the function deploy classifier gets called, and the patient data frame is passed in for training purposes, and the user data frame is passed in for prediction purposes. And at the very end, you'll see whether or not you have heart disease. So it's a really cool program. Let's go ahead and see it in action. So let's navigate to my downloads folder, and we'll run Python of June.py. Okay, so my name is Reese. All right, are you ready to proceed? Yes. First off, what is your age? 25. I'm a male, and only include the top value for your blood pressure. And we'll say I have maybe 170 for cholesterol. Is your fasting blood sugar greater than 120? I'll say no. What's your maximum heart rate? I'll say 190. Do you have chest pain while exercising? No, I do not. What is your ST slope? Up if you have a healthy heart. Now, of course, I just put in, placeholder type example values, but ideally you want to go ahead and put in real values for this. You'd go ahead and have a stress test done, and you'd go ahead and have your blood tested to find out the real values. But anyways, this is just a cool machine learning project with potential for maybe more in the future. And hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you want to see the more in-depth version to learn more about machine learning, I have an extended version that walks you through how each function works. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you guys have a great day.